Check this beast out. This is Milwaukee's brand new M18 44mm cordless rotary hammer. Large trigger, easy to squeeze, very comfortable. There's also a lock on the back of the grip under your thumb. That'll lock off the trigger so you can carry it by the handle without engaging the beast. This rotary hammer pushes SDS max bits at 2,900 impacts per minute, delivering 11 joules of impact energy, where its corded equivalent only delivers 8.5 joules. Now that's a truckload of power, but it's not too fatiguing to use because it's got an anti-vibration system internally, as well as those handles to absorb the 10 meters per second squared of vibration. The auto stop is an electric clutch to prevent injury from over-rotation when your bit jams, because nobody wants to rip their arms off, right? Switching between rotary hammer and chiseling is super easy with a big dial up on top here. There's also a neutral mode for reorienting your chisel. I threw the 44mm bit in there and I went and drilled a few holes out the back of the office here in the slab. Went through like butter, just don't tell the boss. This is a big rotary hammer, packs a punch, absolutely rivals the toughest corded units. Got any questions at all about this 44mm cordless rotary hammer drill from Milwaukee? Hit me up in that comment section below, and until next time, I'm Tim, you're watching Sydney Tools TV.